Meet Arcax, a 14.8-foot-tall anime-inspired Transformer robot that allows science fiction fans to relish the experience of piloting a mecha in reality. The battery-powered robot boasts 26 joints. It weighs 3.85 tons and can seal the cockpit within its chest. You can view live footage from Arcax's 9 cameras through the screens and manipulate it using 2 joysticks, 2 pedals, and a touchscreen. 2 joysticks command the robot's arms and hands, allowing for precise finger movements. Arcax can stand upright to perform tasks in robot mode, or crouch down in vehicle mode, achieving a top speed of 2.78 miles per hour. In the absence of the pilot, the robot can also be controlled remotely. Japanese company Tsubame Industries developed Arcax, hoping that their robots will play a role in construction and disaster relief.